Farming is no longer just an ancient practice, it's a science. Welcome to the world of smart farming, where technology meets nature to produce fresher, healthier, and more sustainable vegetables. If you've ever wondered how modern farmers grow the perfect crops, you're in for a treat. In this video, I reveal the step-by-step smart process of growing fresh vegetables using cutting-edge techniques. Gone are the days of guesswork in farming. Smart farming uses data, automation, and AI-driven tools to optimize crop growth. With the right technology, farmers can monitor soil health, water levels, and even predict the perfect harvest time. From drones to IoT sensors, smart farming ensures maximum yield with minimum resources. Let's break down the process. Everything starts with the right soil. Farmers use smart soil sensors to analyze moisture, nutrients, and pH levels. This ensures the land is fertile and optimized for the best vegetable growth. Not all seeds are created equal. Modern farming uses genetically optimized and disease-resistant seeds to ensure strong, healthy plants. Plus, precision planting machines place them perfectly for maximum sunlight and airflow. Water is precious, and smart farming ensures no drop is wasted. Smart irrigation systems use AI to deliver the right amount of water at the right time, preventing overwatering or drought stress. Did you know that AI can detect plant diseases before they even spread? Cameras and sensors scan crops 24/7, identifying pests or infections in real time. Natural pest control methods and eco-friendly solutions keep vegetables chemical-free and organic. It's time to harvest. Smart harvesting robots use cameras and sensors to detect perfectly ripe vegetables, ensuring top-quality produce with zero waste. This means fresher, more nutritious veggies for you. The future of farming is here. With advancements like hydroponics, vertical farming, and AI-powered greenhouses, we're revolutionizing the way food is grown, sustainably and efficiently. Would you eat a vegetable grown by AI? Let us know in the comments below. Smart farming is changing the world, and you are part of this revolution. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content on the future of agriculture. Click the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Welcome back to our deep dive into the world of smart farming. In this chapter, we delve deeper into the technology behind this agricultural revolution. Let's start with AI and its incredible role in predicting weather patterns. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of meteorological data, providing farmers with accurate weather forecasts. This helps them plan their activities more efficiently, from planting to harvesting. Imagine knowing the best days to water your crops or when to protect them from an incoming storm. AI makes it possible. But that's not all. AI also assists in predicting potential threats like droughts or floods, allowing farmers to take preemptive measures to safeguard their crops. This means fewer losses and more bountiful harvest. Now let's talk about blockchain technology. You might associate blockchain with cryptocurrencies, but it's making waves in agriculture too. Blockchain ensures transparency and traceability throughout the food supply chain. From farm to table, every step is recorded on a secure, immutable ledger. This means consumers can trace their vegetables back to the exact farm they were grown on, ensuring the produce is fresh, safe, and ethically sourced. Blockchain also helps in reducing food fraud and ensuring fair trade practices, benefiting both farmers and consumers. It's a win-win for everyone involved. With AI and blockchain working hand in hand, smart farming is not just about growing better crops, it's about creating a more transparent, sustainable, and efficient food system. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more groundbreaking technologies shaping the future of agriculture. If you're excited about these innovations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next chapter. Welcome back. In this chapter, we take a closer look at vertical farming, a groundbreaking innovation that's transforming the way we grow our food. Imagine growing crops in stacked layers, right in the heart of urban areas. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, the future is now. Vertical farming is all about maximizing space and resources. By growing crops in vertically stacked layers, we can produce more food in a smaller footprint. This is especially crucial as urban populations continue to grow, but the benefits don't stop there. Vertical farming significantly reduces water usage. Traditional farming methods often waste a lot of water through evaporation and runoff. In contrast, vertical farms use advanced irrigation systems that deliver water directly to the plant roots, minimizing waste. Higher yields are another major advantage. By controlling the environment, light, temperature, and humidity, farmers can create optimal growing conditions year-round. This means more consistent and abundant harvest regardless of the season. And let's not forget the ability to grow crops in urban areas. Vertical farms can be set up in unused buildings, warehouses, or even shipping containers. This brings fresh, locally grown produce closer to the consumers, reducing transportation costs and carbon emissions. Vertical farming is not just a trend, it's a sustainable solution to meet the growing food demands of our cities. Thank you for joining us on this vertical journey. If you found this chapter enlightening, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more exciting updates on the future of agriculture. See you in the next chapter. Welcome back! In this chapter, we discuss the importance of sustainable farming practices. From using renewable energy sources to implementing eco-friendly pest control methods, we'll show you how smart farming is paving the way for a greener future. Imagine harnessing the power of the sun and wind to run entire farms. Solar panels and wind turbines are becoming common sights on modern farms, providing clean, renewable energy that reduces our carbon footprint. These technologies not only cut down on greenhouse gas emissions but also lower energy costs for farmers, making agriculture more economically sustainable. But that's just the beginning. Sustainable farming also means taking care of the soil. Techniques like crop rotation, cover cropping, and reduced tillage help maintain soil health and fertility, ensuring that we can keep growing nutritious food year after year. These practices prevent soil erosion, improve water retention, and promote biodiversity. Speaking of biodiversity, eco-friendly pest control is a game changer. Instead of relying on chemical pesticides, smart farmers are turning to natural predators, biological controls, and organic methods to keep pests at bay. This not only protects the environment but also produces healthier, chemical-free food for us to enjoy. Sustainable farming practices are not just good for the planet, they also enhance the quality of the produce. Healthier soil and eco-friendly methods result in crops that are richer in nutrients and free from harmful chemicals. As we move toward a greener future, smart farming is leading the way with innovative and sustainable practices. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this chapter enlightening, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more exciting updates on the future of agriculture. See you in the next chapter. Finally, we wrap up with a look at the future of smart farming. With advancements in technology, the possibilities are endless. Imagine a world where drones monitor crop health from above, providing real-time data to farmers on the ground. These flying marvels can detect diseases, monitor water levels, and even assist in precise pesticide application, making farming more efficient and sustainable. But drones are just the beginning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are set to revolutionize the agricultural industry. Smart algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, predicting weather patterns, optimizing irrigation schedules, and even suggesting the best times to plant and harvest. This level of precision farming will help maximize yields and minimize waste, ensuring food security for the growing global population. Another exciting innovation is the rise of autonomous farming equipment. Imagine tractors and harvesters that can operate themselves, guided by GPS and advanced sensors. These machines can work around the clock, reducing labor costs and increasing productivity. And with the integration of blockchain technology, the entire supply chain can become more transparent and efficient from farm to table. As we look to the future, vertical farming and urban agriculture are also gaining traction. These innovative approaches allow us to grow food in urban environments, reducing the need for transportation and making fresh produce more accessible to city dwellers. Imagine skyscrapers filled with lush green crops feeding the cities of tomorrow. The future of smart farming is bright and full of promise. These advancements will not only transform the way we grow food but also have a profound impact on our lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the future of agriculture. If you found this chapter inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more exciting updates on the future of farming. See you in the next video.